Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking a bit more about the numeric data type. We have also discussed about the numeric data type when we were creating the calculated fields. In Tableau, the numeric data type is used to represent and work with the numerical values. Numerical fields can store various types of numbers, including the integers and decimals. These fields are essential for performing the mathematical operations, aggregations, and calculations on your data. Numeric data types in Tableau are versatile and can be used for a wide range of purposes. They are commonly used to represent the measures or continuous variables such as the sales amount, quantities, temperature, or percentage. With numeric data type, you can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division directly into your visualization. You can also apply aggregations like sum, average, minimum, and maximum to the numeric fields, which enables you to gain the insight into the data. For instance, let's say if you have a data set with a sales amount, it's likely represented as the numeric data type. You can use this field to create the visualization that shows the total sales, average sales, or other metrics related to the sales performance. Understanding numeric data type and their capabilities in Tableau is very crucial for performing data analysis. So let's go to the Tableau screen and see how can you identify the numeric data type and what are the different steps that you can perform to change one data type into the numeric data type. So we are in our Tableau screen. Whenever we are in the data source option, we can see the data source and we can see the multiple columns that are present in the data source. Over here, if you look at the columns, there are multiple symbols. So this hash or pound sign is used to represent the numeric data. Whenever any column consists these numerical values, it would be showing this character. If I look at the other columns in my data, I have the sales column as well as a profit column. If you look closely, there are few columns in which we have the integers and in some we have the decimal or float values. So in both of these, it is still showing the hash or pound symbol. So if I click on this, you can see that it is able to recognize it that this is a number, but this is a decimal. But if I go on the quantity, it would show me that it is a whole number. For both of them, hash or pound symbol would be shown. And if in any case, if your numeric value is not present or it is not able to particularly identify that particular column as a numeric one, what you can do is you can try to change it. For that, let's say if I want to convert this sales column to the whole number column. So what I can do is I can click on this symbol and I can choose the whole number option. In this way, it would be suppressing the data and it would be removing all the decimal values after it. Ideally, this is not a case when we are trying to do a big computation because these decimal values can also play a crucial role. But I'm just showing you an example of how can you change one data type into the another. It would take some time to process this data and after it has processed every row, the data type will be changed. After this data type has been changed, you can go to the sheet option and there you can choose the different calculated fields. In the calculated fields, there are various operations that you can perform on the top of your numerical values. We have talked about few calculated fields in our previous sessions. So I will quickly go in the sheet after this has been updated. So as you can see, it is trying to suppress all the values from that sales column, and that's why it is taking some time to load. Now, if I go in the create calculated field option, and over here in the drop down, I select the number option. You can see I have these various options. We have talked about these in the previous sessions where we have talked about the absolute. We have talked about the division, we have talked about the minimum, maximum, power, and square root functions. So there are multiple other functions there that are present over here, and you can try to perform them on the top of your numeric data type. If you want to change the data type of your columns from this canvas, what you can do is you can again go on any particular column which is showing you the wrong data type. Let's say it's row ID. You can click on the icon over here and you can choose the appropriate data type. So this is a way of identifying the numeric data type and the changing process of your one data type into the another. We'll be meeting in the next session where we will be talking about the data and time data types and the boolean types. Thank you.